Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a product on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the site, blog, product, community, email, audience and sales. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile and your messages here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a product on Podia. So first of all, you need to go to the top side of the screen and click on products and then click on all products. And here you'll have all of your products that you have. So I have one at the moment, which is of course the free product, but here you'll have maybe a lot more if you have. Then go to the right side of the product, click on three dots. Here you have, as you can see, view product, view sale page, edit sale page, share product, export customers, duplicate, and delete. You of course need to click on the delete button. Are you sure you want to delete the product? All content and record activity will be permitted deleted and it cannot be recovered. You just need to click that you have read this, click delete product, or keep if you want to keep it, and that's that. The product will be deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.